Okay, so now let's start students 5C. Okay, 5C again another method for factorize. Here you can find out that two terms are separated by a minus sign. If it is not given, you have to arrange that one. Two terms are given. First term is a perfect square, second one is a perfect square, and in between them they are separated by a minus sign. Okay, so they are written in the form of a square minus b square form. Okay, if you find out that expression in terms of a square minus b square, then you can easily use the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, again I am writing on the blackboard. See this. So some expression are given in form of a square minus b square form. At that time you can directly use a plus b into a minus b. If it is not given, suppose one example I am giving. Suppose it is given as a square plus b square minus 2ab minus c square. Like this it is given. So you have to arrange it in form of a square minus b square. So this one a minus b whole square minus c square. Then you can get this one. This is a square number and this is a square number. Now you can apply the rule a minus b plus c, a minus b minus c. Okay, now you got the factors a minus b plus c, a minus b minus c. These are the two factors. Okay, I think you are understanding the theory. Applying this one, I am going to solve some numbers of 5C. Okay, come. Okay, so I am solving again some numbers. I am starting number 4, 25 a minus b, 2a minus b whole square minus 81 b square. Okay, so we have to express these two as a perfect square. So this is 5 2a minus b whole square minus 3b whole square. Okay, so this one equal to how much we are getting now? Sorry, this is 9b whole square. So you got two perfect squares. Now you can apply the rule. This one 5 2a minus b minus 9b, then 5 2a minus b plus 9b. Okay, now you can solve. This is 10a minus 5b minus 9b, 10a minus 5b plus 9b. Now you can find out the solution. 10a minus 14b, 10a plus 4b. Okay, again for perfect answer, here you can find out 2 as common, here also 2 common. Don't keep your answer here. Again, how much factorization you can do, that much thing you have to do. So here you can take out 2, here also 2. So 2 to 4 I am taking 5a minus 7b, 5a plus 2b. I think all are understanding. Okay, then next number 10 number I am doing a cube plus 2a square minus a minus 2. This one a square I am taking common, a plus 2 minus 1 a minus a plus 2. So a plus 2, first step I am doing as grouping method. Next step you have to use this square difference method. So here it is first one you have to keep as it is. This one a square minus 1 square. So a minus 1, a plus 1. You got the factors? Okay. Then 18 number a square plus b square minus c square minus d square plus 2ab minus 2cd. Okay. Here again you have to do the grouping. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square minus d square minus 2cd. Okay, this is a plus b whole square minus c plus d whole square. Now you got two perfect squares. So a plus b plus c plus d, this is one factor. Then a plus b minus c minus d, this is second factor. I think you are understanding. Okay. Okay, I am starting 23 number. X square plus 4y square minus 9z square. So here two perfect squares are given. 4y square minus z 9z whole square, it is 4xy whole square. So this one we can write x square plus 4y square minus 9z square plus minus 4xy. A plus b into a minus b, I am keeping x square 4y square minus 9z square plus 4xy. Okay, now here your answer is not completed till now. X square plus 4y square minus 4xy minus 9z square. You have to rearrange this one. Why I am doing? Again you can get two perfect squares. Minus 9z square. Okay. So this one is equal to your x minus 2y whole square minus 3z whole square. This one x plus 2y whole square minus 3z whole square. Okay. So this one again a plus b whole square, a plus b into a minus b you have to keep. So first two terms x minus 2y minus 3z, x minus 2y plus 3z. These two are x plus 2y minus 3z, x plus 2y plus 3z. You got the answer? Okay. Next 28 number I am doing. 4x square plus 1 by 4x square plus 1. Here it is not a perfect square, so we have to arrange this one. How can you arrange? Okay. 2x whole square plus 1 by 2x whole square plus 2 minus 1. This one I am writing 2 minus 1. So this is what? This is 2x plus 1 by 2x whole square. You can recall the a plus b whole square method. So you got two perfect squares. So answer is minus 1, 2x 1 by 2x plus 1. I think you got that. Okay. Last number 30 number. A square b plus c minus b plus c whole square. Okay. How can you do this one? B plus c, first SCF method you have to do. B plus c I have to take as common, then inside the bracket b plus c whole square. Okay. So b plus c, this one a minus b minus c, a plus b plus c. Okay. So here your exercise over. Okay. Okay. So till now we have completed chapter 5 B and C. Okay. Now I am going to give the theory what identities you have to use to factorize some other terms for exercise 5D. Okay. I'll give only the theory. Let's try. In next class I'll explain the related questions. Only theory I am giving. This is the 5D. Only theory I am going to say. Here it is again a different type of factorization. Here what are the given things? Here the given things you can find in the question. You can find the sum of two perfect cubes or the difference of two perfect cubes. When the question is given in this way, how can you use the identities? Okay. So if the question a cube plus b cube given, already we discussed the identity. This identity can be written as a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. You can see here this is the given question is given in this form, you have to factorize in this way. Again you have to concentrate, when this term, when it is plus here, you have to put a plus here, and this one is minus. When a cube minus b cube given, you have to factorize like this: a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so in this way you have to factorize. Okay, these are related identities you have to use for exercise 5D. One example I am doing so that you can do it easier way. One example I am doing: 16a to the power 4 plus 54a. Suppose question is given in this way. So you have to show these two as a perfect cube. Okay, last exercise we are doing perfect square. Here you have to do as a perfect cube. So how can you find out? So I am taking out 2a here. So 8a cube you can get and 27 you can get. So 2a, this one equal to 2a whole cube plus 3 whole cube. Now it is easier to use this identity. So 2a into a plus b means 2a plus 3. Second one, this one, a square means 4a square minus ab. Minus ab means minus 6a, then plus b square means 9. Okay, so I gave you one example. Rest related question from your exercise I will solve in the next video. Okay, thank you.